Today we are going to create strategies for
Option
Sensex
buying.
because we have only limited data for Sensex. For Nifty, we have data from 2019. For Sensex, we have uh, weekly options started from 1st August 2023. That's why we have limited data. So I create a sample strategy, which is base strategy. From that base strategy, you can upgrade each and every indicator. Okay, option. Don't go for future and options, because future and options have less liquidity. Okay. So what I do, I add indicators one by one. I select for end date 14. In Sensex, we have only weekly options started from October 8, August month. Okay. And I give Sensex, create a folder for Sensex. Okay. For Sensex, we need to do the time frame is 5 minutes because for 3 minutes we have more signals, and also our strategy is not performing in 3 minutes. That's why we increase the time frame to 5 minutes. Okay, for in all indicators we use only 5 minutes. So I use first current candle in 5 minutes. Next, the indicator I use for first current candle. Next candle is previous candle. Okay, previous candle. The time frame is 5 minutes, and the chart is equity. Okay, the next one is Bollinger Band. Here I am using all our default settings, no other any modification. Okay, Bollinger Band. Next, super trend. These are default indicators. Everyone use this indicator in their trading. Next one is relative RSI. And then pivot point. Okay, so far these are the indicators. Everything here you can check the time frame is, every time frame is 5 minutes, because in 3 minutes we have multiple signals. So to improve the strategy efficiency, we move to 5 minutes time frame. Also make sure here I'm using equity index only, not future and options. Okay, so make sure you change it to equity index, because equity and index will perform in Sensex option. For future, we have less liquidity in future. Okay, now I write the condition entry when. First is current candle close is above super trend. Here I am using super trend 10, 2 5 minutes time frame. Now what I am doing, I change the time frame to 5 minutes. Okay, default super trend 10, 2. Okay, here last trading day 12:10. That candle gives the buy signal. Okay, super trend is in buy signal. The current candle close is above super trend. This candle satisfies, other than this entry candle, satisfies the super trend condition. The next one is RSI is above 70. Add condition RSI. Relative strength is above 70, which means more than 70 will consider as a entry. Now what I do, I have RSI. See here, see the RSI value here. On last trading day, the 12-10 candle, we have RSI on 44, which is super trend condition satisfied, but RSI condition is not satisfied, so order will not take. Here also not there. So I will check where the two conditions satisfies. Here 11th November, we can see here the super trend condition satisfied, but RSI is not satisfied. So for 69, 67, this candle, both the two conditions satisfied. I am adding one by one indicator to explain. This is the candle. Okay, RSI is above some. You check here. RSI is above 70.39 and super trend also in buy. The next indicate condition. Current close is above pivot point R1. Okay, current close is above pivot point R1. So now I'm adding pivot point. Make sure while adding pivot point, unclick this value. Okay, because this if you tick this value, it calculate the post to market report. So always unclick this value and okay. Now see here the same entry price, pivot point also there. So pivot point condition also satisfied. Okay. The next candle is current candle close is above previous candle high. Total 4 conditions. Now the previous candle high is here, but the close is below the previous high. So this candle, the condition is not satisfied. The order will take on the next candle because here the previous candle high crossed. Okay. So now what I do, also for exit condition, when the super trend, the current candle close crosses below super trend, here the strategy will exit. Current close is below super trend. Okay, super trend 10,2. Now I am choosing option current week premium near 500. Call option one lot without stop loss because we are using super trend as a stop loss. Yeah. Now we need to maximum transaction 5. Now we need to back test. Okay, this is the first performance. Now we need to improve from this strategy. What I do now, I add Bollinger Band. Again, add condition. Current close is above Bollinger Upper Band. Here I am adding the BB. The starting candle here, the condition satisfies. Wait a minute. Compared to this, the new strategy with after adding BB, the strategy perform will improve. Likewise, you need to add each and every indicator, each and every configuration, you can improve the strategy. Okay, after giving 1.5 slippage, this is the real performance. Also, make sure we have only 1.5 years data. Not 1.5 years, this is 1 year data. Okay, within 1 year data, we can't conclude the Sensex strategy. We need more data to conclude the strategy. See here, the last traded date is 6th November. The BB, the candle close above BB is, this is the candle. After that, no candle crosses above BB. So this condition is not satisfied. On 6th here, Either this condition, there is RSI, no. Let me check. 11:55 is the entry taken. This is the entry candle. We can compare. Okay. The first condition, pivot point R1. The candle closes above pivot point R1. The next is RSI above 71. Here RSI is above 71. You can check it here. This candle close. Okay. Also, the current candle crosses above Bollinger upper band. Also, the candle is in green, which super trend is in green, which means the current candle close is above super trend. Also, the candle close is above previous high. So, all conditions satisfy here. The next candle, which is 12 o'clock candle, the order will take. So, after that, this is the candle, the strategy will exit because the current candle close crosses below super trend. 240. Yeah, 240. Actually, this is the base strategy we created now. Now you need to upgrade from this level to advanced level. You can change the time frame, you can change the value, you can add extra indicators to improve the efficiency. Okay. So far, any doubt? Actually, for buying, we need to use maximum 1.5 slippage. If you use 1% slippage means it will reduce slowly. Okay. Basic Quantman plan is sufficient for the strategy. Okay. Actually, for put buying, even Bank Nifty also put buying is so hard to create. For Sensex, we have less data. Also, we have more slippage and spikes. So for put in Sensex is like a very much dangerous. Now we move to Nifty call option strategy. Okay. Actually, I want to tell you one thing. Please don't consider put strategy because put strategy will work on like a trending basis. Maximum our market is in downtrend for 1 month or 2 months, maximum 3 months. After that, our market will uh, create higher high. Okay, because our country is a developing economy, so foreign investments will come to our market to get more return. So for that, the market will rise each and every day. For that, put strategy will not work. If you deploy put means reduce the lot size. Always for our market, call option strategies, even whatever index it will work. For put option strategy, you need to reduce the lot size because if you many of them I can we can see if 200 points in single candle down means the next candle 200 point up. This will happen only in our market. Each and every day you can see if any drastic movement down means the next candle itself the market will bounce back because whenever our market comes down means many investors have deep pockets to put their money in the market and start rising. Now we create strategy for Nifty. Actually, you can take screenshot for this condition. This is the base starting strategy. From this, you can improve the efficiency of the strategy. I can wait for 1 minute. If anyone wants to screenshot the condition means you can take a screenshot. For improvement, we need to work. Okay. Ah, wait a minute. Okay, now we move to the Nifty strategy. For Nifty strategy, we have F1 data from 2019, March 11. For Nifty, you can use future and options. Okay. First, I am adding the current candle, 5 minutes. Then I am adding super trend, 10,2 in 5-minute time frame. Here also we are using the 5-minute time frame because to reduce the overtrade. Next, Bollinger Band, 20,2, 5 minutes. RSI, MACD, 5 minutes. CCI, pivot point, center pivot. And a Williams R. Okay, in Nifty strategy, I am also using the same 5-minute time frame. Also make sure I am using here as a future, as a underlying, not spot. Okay. Now I write the condition. First condition is RSI is above 70. And the next one is current close is above Bollinger Band upper band. And CPR narrow. If CPR narrow is means if true means only narrow CPR, this strategy will take order. If wide CPR means this strategy will not take order. Okay. Next is CCI commodity. CCI is above 150 and then Williams R minus 15. MACD histogram is above 0. Is above MACD. The same exit condition we follow here, which is current candle close is below super trend. Super trend is one of the nice indicator. In all our strategy, we use maximum exit as a super trend. because it acts as a trailing stop loss also. Also trending indicator. When market crosses higher high, the super trend will trail the current market price. Here I am using current week. It's a premium near 250. Here we use 250 premium and one lot buying with a 25% stop loss. Also exit timing maximum transaction is 10 per trade. Okay. RSA above 70, BB upper band, CPR narrow, CC 150. Now I do back test. Yeah, we add one by one. It's up to the difference. Stop loss is up to which we do back test on multiple conditions. For Sensex, we don't use stop loss because if we use stop loss, the RPT will reduce or the profitable factor will reduce. For Nifty, we use stop loss. So it gives a better efficiency. Okay, yeah, I'll check the condition. Now this is the first back test. Now we need to change the condition. Here I am adding MACD. This is okay 0. MACD above 0 means maximum denote buy condition. Also I am using another one. Current candle close is above the same pivot point R1. And do back test. See here. Here we have 1.26 lakhs. Here we have 1.54. Here lesser trade. Here the trade is higher. Also the drawdown is higher. Here drawdown is lesser. So likewise we need to compare one by one. So now I again to duplicate and the same condition as it is. What about the MACD histogram is above MACD signal? I give 1.5 slippage for both. Likewise, we need to do back test continuously and see the difference. After giving 1.5 slippage, which will give better return and here I want to tell one thing. See, the first important point is average loss and average profit. Okay, the average loss is 8.9 divided by 1297.5. Here the risk to reward ratio is 1.71. Here 2003 divided by 1189. Here the risk to reward is 1.68. So comparatively, the risk higher the risk reward, the better the strategy. Okay. So we can use this now 1.6. Okay. 1.3, 1.27, 1.6. The RPT is higher. After giving 1.5 slippage, actually the same result comes. So far we have created this strategy. You can took a screenshot for this. Actually, this is the base strategy we created. We still working on it to improve the strategy. Whoever wants the condition, take a screenshot. Can we move further? Okay. Now what I do, this is a Nifty future chart, right? We backtested on. Now I do backtest on Nifty spot. What will happen? We'll see. See here, I will change it to everything on spot and submit. The same I do it for a Sensex also. Before we do it on equity chart. Now we convert it into future chart. Copy and edit, change it to future and do backtest. See here. Actually, in Nifty, future gives higher return compared to spot. Okay, in Sensex, spot gives higher return compared to future. This is Sensex strategy. You can see the difference. Because in Sensex future, we don't have a good candlestick pattern, which means good candlestick means there are so much candle gap and liquidity is low. Now we do another one back test to improve what we can change here. I'm adding the CCA value to 200. We will see. You can use TSL in this strategy also. Uh, There's a little bit difference. You know, any other way? Your point CCA, RSI, Williams, or you will see. I'll take the stop loss, take out the stop loss. What happened? We will exit with the super trend. Actually, there is no single strategy which run all over the period. You need to do back test on every 1 month, every 3 month, and see the return, whether the strategy is working or whether the market is not performing. Sometimes market is not performing. So that time strategy is not working. Even if we take out the stop loss, a little bit difference. Yeah, the stop loss, if you take out the stop loss, the maximum loss is 4,000. If you put with stop loss 3,300, only 700 is the difference. Okay. Now the next condition, we will go to another one point. The next histogram is above 5 points. You can do more adjustments on here. You can change the value here. You can change the time frame here. Also, you can change the values here. So likewise, you need to check whether which strategy gives higher profit, lesser drawdown, and more risk to reward ratio. Each and every time if you do backtest means you can check the risk to reward. If the risk to reward is higher means it will work. Here we can see 98, 1.6110. 1 point. Condition. This is MACD. Actually, we give the MACD 5, so it reduces the trade count also the profit also. So likewise, you need to do back test one by one. Okay, now anybody have any doubt? Ask your doubts in chat box. No, we don't do stocks. We only do in options. Including brokerage is separate. This is only for backtesting and slippage part. We can add view up here. We need to backtest on Bank Nifty monthly contract. Actually, there is no difference for weekly backtest and monthly backtest. It's like a similar for Bank Nifty monthly contract. Okay, wait a minute. This is default. You can add change conditions as per your need. Okay. Actually, this is Nifty strategy. For Bank Nifty, we made a lot big money because that is a sector index. Only Bank Nifty sector. Okay, many traders use Bank Nifty only because of sector index. This Nifty is a whole India index, all sector combined. So for moving Bank Nifty, only Bank Nifty sector, any news means Bank Nifty would definitely move. For moving the Nifty index, we have solid information, solid good news so that the Nifty will move. That's why Nifty give a less return compared to Bank Nifty. Selling strategy, we need to work on it. Okay. First, you need to add 250. Also, now the NSE gives two circulars. One is weekly options stopped. The next one is upcoming expiries. The lot size increased. For selling right now, we have only 1 lakhs plus 10,000 extra to do one lot of strangle or straddle. After this month or next month, the selling will be, the margin will be doubled. Also, they added extra 2% VAR margin. I think the margin would be 3 to 3.5 lakhs for single lot of selling. Also, whatever we see the lot size now, it will be doubled. For Bank Nifty 30, Nifty 50 quantity, Sensex 20, I think so, and Fin Nifty 40 or 50. Soon the broker will increase the lot size. You need to add the required margin plus drawdown in your account, trading account. Both strategy are call buying strategy for Sensex and Nifty. For put buying, we need to work on it because put buying is more hard for create a strategy. Learning indicators is on only social medias. For example, many brokers have indicators. You can visit Investopedia. Also, you can visit Google Scholar. In Google Scholar, most professionals do a detailed analysis on separate indicator. They have a research paper on it. You can check the research paper. Also, on what condition basis their work done. You can take the same condition and put it on Quantman. It will improve the strategy efficiency. I daily check on Investopedias and Google Scholar for research papers. In research paper, many professional persons search and do the strategies and give some results. I specifically which indicator I want to know, I search those indicator details in Google Scholar. The Google Scholar shows some articles. I read those articles. From that article, I learned about those indicators, which combination which will work better. And then I put it on Quantman and do back test. Okay, now we need to conclude the session. Any doubts so far? Google Scholar link is like you can go to Google Chrome and search Google Scholar. The page will come, and then you can search specific indicator. It will show the articles. In Quantman, we don't able to add brokerage. You need to download the data and do one separately. Actually, this is buying strategy. Buying strategy, the premium required is the capital, and you need to put this extra drawdown even after giving 1.5 slippage. 25 right now 25 quantity per lot 250 premium. So 250 into 25. Sorry. The margin required is 6,250 plus 12,000 drawdown, around 20,000 for single lot. Actually, this is not a fixed margin. It's changed as per time to time. We are using Angel on broker with Quantman. For 1 year, the backtest occupy 1 credit. Ichimoku you need to do separately. It in Quantman they support Ichimoku cloud. We for improving the strategy we work on it daily, sir. Okay, multiple combinations, multiple variations of indicators we working on it. In upcoming days, selling required minimum 3. You know to also I want to tell one thing for those who are doing selling. For example, if you have margin of around 10 lakhs and do 3 lots means for 3 lots the margin required is 3 lakhs. For total 9 lakhs occupied. For 10 lakh capital you occupied 9 lakhs, which is around 85 to 90 percentage. If the threshold limit crosses the margin, which means if your position limit crossed about 10 lakhs, whatever broker you use, broker will square off automatically. So make sure don't use the full margin for selling. Okay. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.